Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and good night to those who are ready to go to bed for their good night sleep. Today is January 2nd here in America, so let's just relax after the holidays. And with my cast, it's very difficult to move around or do some works at home. It's just very difficult just to use my left hand. It's my non-dominant hand because I'm right-handed. So it's so hard. It's hard to sleep. And now I got a slight fever right now. I'm starting to get some get a flu, I guess, for this winter time. It's winter time over here in the U.S. right now. So just the update for my arm. It still hurts a lot. I don't know why. And it's very difficult. It's hard for me to sleep at night because it's hard to find a position. See, it's my cast is almost on my whole arm. It's above my elbow, and when I what do you call this? I bend my elbow like this and do this, like lean on something. It hurts. So I put kind of some cloth on there so I won't get some bruises or rashes from it. And I put a gauze on it because when I bend it, there's already starting because of the sharp edges here. This is like a cement this kind of cast is just, it's very hard. They soak it in water and then wrap it around. So if you wonder what's inside my arm, it's like a sack for what the podiatrists and orthopedics using. It's an open sack, so they just put the sack in here and then wrap it with the cotton, like a cotton gauze, but it's not really a gauze. It's just like I'll show you later on when I have something, but that's they put inside before they put this. So this one, even you wanna move, it's just really hard to move. Only my fingers. And it's so hard. Even like this, I can't even straighten up because this thick cast on this elbow. So everything is just so difficult. So, but I'm gonna get through with it, and I'll be fine. It's just so difficult to do the things that I wanted to do at home and for my husband. But thank you guys for all your prayers. Thank you for to all my subscribers. Thank you very much, and all your comments. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything that you do for me. It makes me happy, and it really touched my heart how much you appreciate me also for what I'm doing on my YouTube channel. So for those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel now, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. Alright, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, the likes. Please share some ideas or suggestions that you want me to do, and I will try all my best. If I can, I'll do it, but if I can't, I'm sorry, but I will try my best, okay? But for now, I can't do much. Even when I wear clothes, I need my husband's help. because even my hair, he brushed my hair and everything, and I feel bad about that, but I don't have a choice right now. So there's so many things that I can't do for 6 weeks, but I don't even know if it's what's gonna happen after 6 weeks being on a cast on my arm. But yeah, to those people that think that everything is gonna that we are still young, we can still do it. No, you guys need to be careful. You don't want to fall, you don't want to sleep and everything. You don't want to get a cast. I'm telling you, it's very difficult, especially when you're living alone. No one would take care of you except when you go to the doctor. Don't do it. It's not worth it, okay? So please take care of yourselves. I did try to, I'm a very careful person, but you know, things happen sometimes, unfortunately, on some people just like me. We can't help it sometimes, but if you can, just be careful of what you're trying to do, because like I said, it's very difficult to have a cast. Alright, driving and everything else, you can't even do it. So just take it easy and do not hurry up with all the things that you wanted to do. By the way, I'm making my husband, because this is all I can do. I'm putting it almost everything in the oven to cook it right now, because sorry guys, I need to turn around. So, all right there. I'm making a turkey bacon, low sodium turkey bacon sandwich. It's supposed to be BLT, but I don't have tomatoes right now, so I'm just gonna put some lettuce. There you go, guys. So I will try my best to update you guys every day if I can about my arm, okay? And on top of that, just to let you know, I also have one of the worst chronic nerve pain, and that's also another problem of my health. That's another health issue. On top of my chronic nerve pain, now I have my arm also. I just hope that it's gonna heal up, and I just hope I won't need any screws for my arm, and I hope that I don't need to get the surgery for it, and I'm hoping that I will be better in about 6 weeks, because I'm hoping also that it didn't damage any nerve on my arm when I fell and twisted my arm, so I got fractured before Christmas. So there, it's just like this. It's just a simple sandwich for my husband for now, and that's all I can do for him right now. But he really appreciates everything. So yeah, there you go, guys. Nice sandwich. I put a lot of lettuce because I don't have tomato. So I have still very painful. Even on this area, it's still very painful, and the joints on my between my wrist and the arm, that's really got the most damage. So it's very difficult. I can't really use my right arm. I just use it to a little bit to push and whatever I can do for my arm. On the right hand, there's a little help. But one of my subscriber, I think his name is Kevin, he asked me about why I don't have a sling. My doctor said I don't need it, but you know, thank you for reminding me that. I just realized I think maybe I can sleep better if I can get the sling. I will gonna go to the ortho and try to get one if they can give me one. I think if I will just put this and with my sling uh, on my arm, and I just can put it like this when I sleep at night, maybe it would be better and I can get even just an hour or two sleep at night, because I'm having a hard time sleeping. I already have insomnia. I'm taking sleeping pills, but a lot of times I have severe insomnia, so a lot of times I can't really sleep. There are times that I can't sleep for like 48 to 72 hours straight because of my insomnia. So sometimes my sleeping pills doesn't work. It's because I'm taking a lot of medications for my chronic nerve pain. And other thing, I have a problem with my spine. I had a surgery on my spine too before. So I got a lot of health issues. But I'm still trying to be happy, strong, and I don't really show much about my pain. I keep it behind myself. That's why I am on YouTube, so that I can help other people through my experience, my situation, um, and my health issues, whatever I can contribute to the world and to the people if they are suffering any kind of health issues, and uh, also about my cooking or baking, and I can give some health tips, something like that. That's what I'm trying to um, express and tell to people, that we should take care of ourselves, our body, our health, so that we can continue to be happy and enjoy the world. All right? So, there you go, guys. So, it's still very painful. Just to let you know, it's been 2 weeks now. It's still very painful. So, we'll see in 6 weeks what's gonna happen. And now I have a fever. So, I just gonna go and take a nap, because if I can, because I didn't get sleep again last night. So, I will see you guys again later. This is the update of my arm. So be careful not to fall, not to sleep, and sleep. Yeah, okay. And don't twist your body, your arm, or whatever part of your body. Okay, it's hard. All right, it's really hard. And I'm the kind of person that doesn't like to eat much out, especially now with this COVID-19. No, I still like to cook or make my own food for now. Right, so you take care, guys. Thank you so very much for joining me again in my kitchen and on my YouTube channel. So again, please subscribe my channel for those who haven't subscribed my channel yet. And you can share my videos to your friends, okay? Because they might be looking something, different, just like what I'm doing on my YouTube channel. Or they might be looking for something with some health tips or cooking or whatever that I can contribute to you guys. So please feel free to share my videos to your friends, loved ones, and to the people that you know that might like my videos, okay? So, thank you guys to all the subscribers. Again, thank you very, very much. And to all my viewers, I really, really appreciate, guys, everything that you do for me and for taking your time to watch my video. Give me likes, thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Charlene's Healthy Cooking. Alright, guys? And don't forget to click the notification bell. Alright, guys? Alright. Hug and kisses to everybody. Have a great new year again to everybody. Enjoy, and I wish everybody a good health and more blessings in our lives, especially to you, other people out there Okay, so love each other. We have to take care of each other whatever the way we can. Okay, however we can help anybody. So what important is give love to each other. Okay, guys? Hug and kisses again. I love you guys and thank you so much. And I really appreciate everything you're doing for me. Alright, guys. See you next time. I'll update you every day about this. Okay, I have fever. You can see my eyes. I feel very warm. I think it's because it's so cold right now over here. But with all the medications, the interactions with the medications too, it's just so much to take in. But I'm still trying to be happy the best I can. Alright guys, see you later. Mwah, again. Bye guys. You guys take care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay healthy. And don't forget to pray. God bless you all. Bye. Hey guys. See you on my next video.